Fixed assets refer to long-term tangible assets that are used in the operations of a business. They provide long-term financial benefits, have a useful life of more than 1 year, and are classified as property, plant, and equipment on the balance sheet. Fixed assets are non-current assets that have a useful life of more than 1 year. Like land, machinery, vehicles, computer equipment, etc. With the exception of land, fixed assets are depreciated to reflect the wear and tear of using the fixed asset. Fixed assets are used by the company to produce goods and services and generate revenue. They are not sold to customers or held for investment purposes. A fixed asset is capitalized. When a company purchases a fixed asset, they record the cost as an asset on the balance sheet, instead of expensing it onto the income statement. When a company purchases or sells a fixed asset with cash, that is reflected in the investing activities section of the cash flow statement. Purchases of fixed assets are an outflow of cash and are categorized as capital expenditures, while the sale of fixed assets is an inflow of cash and is categorized as proceeds from the sale of property and equipment. To add fixed assets in MacroSoft Inventory Manager, you have to follow some steps. Go to Fixed Assets. Click on the Add Fixed Assets button, or press Alt-A on the keyboard. Type the description in the description box. Type the amount in the amount box. Type the paid amount in payment box. Select the debt type, if it is debt. Select the bank operator for payment. After doing all, click on the OK button, or press Alt-K on the keyboard. It will add fixed assets to the table. If you check the balance sheet, it will be shown as a fixed asset on the balance sheet. If you click on it, it will show the details view of fixed assets. If you have an outstanding balance and need to pay it within a year, select short-term debt in the debt type box. It will be shown as an indirect expenses on the balance sheet. Or if the payment period is more than 1 year, select long-term debt in the debt type box. It will be shown as long-term debt on the balance sheet. To pay the outstanding amount, you have to follow some steps. Go to Fixed Assets, and select the fixed asset. Click on the Update button, or press Alt-U on the keyboard. Type the amount in the payment box. Select the bank operator for payment. Click on the OK button, or press Alt-K on the keyboard to update fixed assets. In the balance sheet, the liability will decrease. To depreciate or sell a fixed asset, you have to follow some steps. Go to Fixed Assets, and click on the Reduce button, or press Alt-R on the keyboard. Select the product in the product box. Type the amount to be depreciated in the amount box. Or if you are selling a product, type the purchase amount, or book value, in the amount box. Select the bank operator in the bank operator box to record cash flow. Click on the OK button, or press Alt-K on the keyboard. You will see the changes in the balance sheet.